So I recently got this drone with camera. Looked like a great price. I really wanted another little drone, and this one looked like it had some cool features, so I thought I'd check it out. It says it has an HD camera. That is the one thing that I'm severely disappointed in. But it also does 3D flips, has gravity control, selfie control for cameras, headless mode, 1-button takeoff and landing, 3 different speeds that you can choose from, and also a customized flight route. We'll have to check that out. Comes in a nice little carrying case. Has some USB cords and also propeller guards. Here's the controller for the drone. You're going to slide your phone in here. Just like that. You're going to get this app called X61 Drone. And this is what that looks like. So the drone itself is smaller than I thought it was going to be. It reminds me of the DJI Mavic drones, only way smaller and way lighter. But it unfolds very, very similarly. So you got the top propellers, and then the bottom propellers. In the box here, it comes with 2 batteries. You will want to charge these up before using it the first time. They don't come fully charged. Slides in just like this. And you're going to turn it on with that top button. Turn on the controller also. When it's connected, that light turns solid. And then just start flying it. The controls are very, very similar to other drones that I've used. To calibrate it, stabilize it, however you want to call it, tilt the controllers in at a 45-degree angle. It'll blink for a second and then turn solid again. And then to take off, you can use the 1-button takeoff. And that'll make it fly and hover. Or you can pull the controllers 45 degrees out and you can start flying it manually. I will say, I know that you can probably adjust, fine-tune it so that it doesn't sway back and forth or up and down. That's in the manual. And I've done that with previous drones before, but coming from a DJI to something like this, which I know there's no comparison in terms of price and quality and all that kind of stuff, but you'll definitely need to keep an eye on this, even when you're just, hovering in place, because it does tend to sway a little bit. All right, to see everything on the screen, you'll need to connect to it via your Wi-Fi on your phone as well. It's called X61 Drone with the numbers. And then once you connect to that, you'll also be able to see that on your screen in the app. There we go. So you can see what the screen is seeing. And actually on the screen, it does not look bad at all. Like I said, it's called an HD camera. The image that you're getting on the screen while you're flying, not too bad. However, if you try recording a video and playing it back and watching it, it is not HD at all. The camera is definitely the thing that I would say is the most toy-like about this whole thing. Great for having fun, great for giving to a kid and playing with it, not great for taking videos or pictures and that kind of thing. But it is a fun toy, and I'm definitely having fun playing with it. So to take a video, we're just going to push the video button there. Now it's recording. So I can start flying it a little bit again. Hit that button again to stop the recording. And there's buttons up here that do the same kind of things. On the left side, you can see taking a picture, taking a video, doing a flip, rotating the camera up and down. So if you're going to do some landscape shots from above, you can do that there. You can adjust your speed. So right now we're flying at just 30% speed. You can control from your phone if you want, but I prefer to control from the controllers. I think from the phone is the only way that you can do a customized flight route. So let's try that out outside here in a second. And we'll also want to try out the 1-button takeoff and landing as well when we're outside. So yeah, we're going to take this outside and see how it does out there. All right, 1-button takeoff, here we go. Not too bad, not too bad. Hovering at about 4.5 feet or so, but kind of drifting up and to the right and to the front just a little bit. So Yeah, like I said, it's not perfect, but like I said, it's a toy. So for the price, for the fun, it's not bad at all. Here is a 360 flip. Here's a 360 flip. I can't seem to get the 360 flip to work. Not sure what's going on there. All right, let's try the custom flight path. We'll just draw a little figure 8. Oh, apparently if you hit stop, it just falls out of the sky. Just FYI. We're gonna take it off again. Like I said, it is very difficult to control with this thing. So I hear people talking about how they took their drone out for the first time and lost it because it just flew away. This is definitely one that I'd be careful about that with. If you're not really comfortable flying drones, knowing how to take control of them when they're kind of going off course, yeah, you definitely want to practice with this quite a bit before, you know, taking it too far away from yourself. So let's take off again. I will say, for being a small little drone, being a cheap little drone, it's definitely got some speed to it, man. You can definitely have some fun with this thing. Just make sure you know how to fly it before getting it too far away from yourself. It's definitely got some speed, some spunk, but definitely know how to handle it because the controls sometimes seem to have a mind of their own. So there you go. It's a fun toy. Like I said, it is snappy. If you're used to flying drones, you'll be familiar with how this flies as well. I couldn't quite figure out the custom flight path. Couldn't get it to do a flip, but that could just be because I haven't read the manual completely and gotten really familiar with that. The worst thing about this is the camera. If you just want a fun toy to play with, to fly around with, to give to a kid as their first drone, make sure that they know how to fly it well before taking it outside because it can definitely fly away. But yeah, I think it's a fun toy. I'm definitely going to have a lot of fun with it. Keep its negatives in mind, but I do recommend it. It's a lot of fun. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything. If this review helped you, we'd love a super thanks. Even just $1 or $2 really helps us out. And also buy the product using our links, and hopefully we'll be able to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.